Meet DeepSeek AI, a game changer in natural language processing. Whether you're writing, coding, or analyzing data, DeepSeek Web version is designed to make your work faster and smarter. Today we're going to break down the key features and how to use it in our day-to-day lives. Natural language understanding. DeepSeek understands your natural language questions. No fancy prompts needed. You just have to use your natural language and DeepSeek will understand you. Imagine you run a small online shop and you want to write a quick apology email to a delayed customer. Instead of thinking hard about the prompt structure, let's simply type in write an apology email for a delayed order with a friendly tone. So this is our email. Feel free to pause the video and read through the email. So basing on the email, here we see that DeepSeek instantly drafts a professional and customer-friendly response. Heading over to the code compilation. Do you need help in fixing or writing code? DeepSeek is a smart assistant for developers. Now let's look at the web developer that is working on a pricing calculator in Python. Let's type in this prompt. Now DeepSeek completes the function and also suggests ways to handle edge cases like negative values. Debugging is also made easy with suggestions to fix errors on the go. Let's also look at the offline functionality. So no internet, no worries. DeepSeek Web can also work offline. Now, a student working on a research paper loses their internet connection. They'll still use the DeepSeek to summarize long paragraphs and refine the statements. Now, let's move over to the advanced reasoning. DeepSeek doesn't just answer but thinks with you. For example, a business analyst asks to compare the risks of investing in tech startups versus real estate in 2025. DeepSeek doesn't just pull general info, it evaluates trends, considers market risks, and gives a structured comparison. Let's head over to the user-friendly interface. Are you a tech expert or just a beginner? DeepSeek is for everyone. It doesn't have a complicated UI. Now let's look at a teacher with limited tech skills needs help with drafting lesson plans. Alright, let's just type in this prompt right here. It keeps on telling me that the server is busy. Please try again. This is the downside of DeepSeek. It's like so many people are using DeepSeek. After a long struggle, now it's working on it. Now DeepSeek provides a clear, easy to follow plan with activities and discussion questions. Now let's head over to the open source model. Transparency matters. DeepSeek is an open source, meaning that developers worldwide can improve it. Let's look at the data scientists who customizes DeepSeek to build a legal document analysis tool. They can adjust to the open source model and ways to specialize in legal language processing. There is also the cost-effective solution, high performance at a low cost. DeepSeek was built efficiently, which made it affordable than many competitors. Now a startup developing chatbots chooses DeepSeek over expensive alternative. They can cut development costs while still creating a smart and responsive customer service bot. Let's go to the scalable computing. Built for performance, DeepSeek runs on custom-built computing clusters. An AI research team trains the chatbot on millions of support queries. DeepSeek's scalable interface speeds up the training process, saving days of processing time. Let's head over to the specialized models. Coding, debugging. There is just a model for that. DeepSeek Coder. A game developer asks, how do I optimize game loading times in Unity? Let's use this basic model to work out the example. DeepSeek coder suggests different techniques depending on the problem. Multi-token prediction. Faster and smarter responses. DeepSeek predicts multiple tokens at once. A journalist needs a quick summary of a breaking news article. Instead of generating word by word, DeepSeek predicts multiple words simultaneously, delivering a smooth and faster summary. Let's look at the user interface. Practically, right, let's start with our new. This is new. This is the home page. So this is the home screen of our DeepSeek, and here is where we can insert our prompts. And this is DeepSeek R1. If you wanna use DeepSeek R1, you insert the prompt, then enter while selecting DeepSeek R1. Now this is the search from the web. We can utilize it if at all our prompt is more of a web. This is the attach. It's not available for search. You can attach any file, an image or anything. So this is the sidebar. This is the history, and this is where we can get the app. You can scan the QR code and on your phone and download DeepSeek directly. Okay, this is a new chart. Actually, it's just a snappy interface. Now when we click on this profile icon, we'll see the settings. Okay, general profile. Then we have the language. We can select any theme. We can change. Now this is the profile. Okay, yeah, if you want to delete the account, you can just click right here and delete the account. So that is it. This is the contact and logout. So that's how snappy DeepSeek is. I think you can compare it with the competitors, and actually you need to check out this video right here where I compare ChatGPT and DeepSeek. From drafting emails to debugging, DeepSeek is just made for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.